Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy JayFlyMastering back in the building, man. What going on? How y'all feeling? You know what I'm saying? I know I ain't talked to y'all in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. These little past little months, but I been having a bad ass toothache. You know what I'm saying? That's the reason y'all ain't really catch me talking about videos and shit. You know what I'm saying? That shit be hurting, bro. You know what I'm saying? It feel like a nigga just shoot you in your mouth when you get that pain. But anyway, listen. With that being said, bro, I'm here to describe some fruit tips and tricks to y'all on how to stay in your budget when you trying to shop for a studio equipment. Yeah, I say that shit correct. When you're shopping for studio equipment, you want to stay in your budget, man. So listen, man. I'm gonna make another video for the high budget ones, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But for ones that's trying to just only spend $500, I'm about to just show y'all. You know what I'm saying? What to do. So with that being said, excuse me. What y'all want to do is go to Google. You know what I'm saying? You can go to Offer Up too and find you a gaming computer. You know what I'm saying, for $500 or whatever. So look, the gaming PCs on Offer Up. You can go to Offer Up, put in gaming PC. Listen, man, you can $425. You can get you a gaming PC for $425. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no excuse, man. So I don't want to hear no more artists talking about I haven't recorded in a year. I can't find a good engineer. Well, nigga, fucking record your fucking stuff then. If that's just like, listen, if you ain't go to a studio in the whole year, you might as well say you don't even take your shit serious, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like I tell artists, bro, hey, a serious artist go to that motherfucker like at least twice or three times out the week. You feel me? Cause you got a consistent drop. You need to be dropping. You need to be going to this. You need to be writing 5 songs a day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You need to be recording those songs or whatever. So you need to be dropping like 15 songs a week. You know what I'm saying? Treat this shit like a job. Like I tell people, listen. If you can go to a job, bust your ass for 8, 13 hours and shit working for the man, guess what? You need to put that same energy into your same career. Do it for yourself. You know what I'm saying? You can do that same shit. Boom, your shit gonna start popping. Boom, get your LLC. Boom, get your shit got down with the taxes and all that shit, the state testing. And boom, you legal legit with your shit. You feel me? I'm gonna make another video about that, how to go legal with your shit. You feel me? And how to get your LLCs and shit. And how to get your EINs and shit. You feel me? I tell artists, you're not just gonna be making money and not paying taxes on this shit. You gotta be goddamn be ready to report some shit if you trying to get some big money from this shit, cause that's the goal. You know what I'm saying? To get big out this music shit and get rich out this music shit. But to get rich, it's come with rules and shit. Everything in life come with rules. The streets come with rules. The internet come with rules. You know what I'm saying? Your job. You know what I'm saying? Everything in life come with rules. So, yo, yes, sir, ski. So, with that being said, I recommend. Man, listen, I should just try these new shades out, man. I forgot it was a gift, man. Shit, let me see how this shit look on there real quick. Alright, yo, so I like this shit, man. Anyway, so look like goddamn Ray Charles with these motherfuckers on. But anyway, listen, man, you can find you a goddamn. Man, I don't need no shade because I'm blocking my beautiful hazel eyes, so I don't want to do all that. Plus, I can't really see with them damn shades on. It be dark as fuck. All right, but look, you can get you a gaming PC for 425. Let's go to on the recording software. It's $39. You can get you one for $39. So all right, so let's just say this shit was $40, and you finessed and got the goddamn gaming PC from the dude for like shit 400, 400. You know what I'm saying? And that's 440 already spent. So shit, let's just say your audio interface 540. Your interface may cost you $100. You know what I'm saying? You might get on offer up for goddamn 50. So let's say audio interface. All right, hold on, y'all. All right, so look, the audio interface. You can get that motherfucker. You can get your speaker. You don't look. You can get you some speakers too. You can get your headphones. But we just talking about the ones that trying to stay in their budget. This let's say $100 Focusrite. Focusrite always good. You know what I'm saying? What you call? That's a good one. That's $50. Look at that shit. Look, ain't no reason. I don't want to hear no more artists talking about they ain't been to no goddamn studio in no year, or they, you know what I'm saying, or they can't afford a studio. Man, buy your goddamn own studio, you know what I'm saying, or invest, or you can get you a computer, get you Pro Tools, and hire me to remotely engineer you. Oh, that's something I ain't tell y'all about. I'm making a video about that. I'm now doing remotely engineer. So if you got you a studio, I can remotely log in a TeamView or any desk and control your Pro Tools computer or whatever DAW you use and record you. And all you gotta do, put me on FaceTime and get your ass in the closet. And you can work. We can drop some in the hits. But get what though? That shit come with a fee too. Same, cause ain't nothing in life free. So y'all might well just hush that shit up. Anybody thinking this shit free, anything free in this music industry, you might well just go ahead and get another career, cause ain't shit free. You gonna have to pay for your beats. You gonna have to pay for your studio session. If you don't got a studio session, you still paying lights and goddamn electricity on them bills and shit. You feel me? If you got your own shit, you gotta pay the goddamn mixtape cover. You gotta pay the video person. You gotta goddamn pay marketing, promotion. You gotta copyright, all that type shit. You know what I'm saying? So if you are going around thinking shit free in this music shit, man, you might well just get the fuck on. Hey, cause ain't shit free in life. And I'm gonna keep that 100. Say, I know like y'all be like, man, he cuss a lot in his video. You damn right, cause you know what? I keep that shit 100 with y'all. I don't want to sugarcoat shit. I don't want to just, even if you in the studio with me and recording with me, if your music sound like shit, I'm gonna tell you your shit sound like ass. You feel me? I keep the shit real. If this shit goddamn give me vibes and that shit good, my ears trained to hear industry type shit. You feel me? So like, you feel me? I like anything I'm working on. It's got to be perfect, man. Like, I don't know, nigga got OCD or what, but all my mixes got to be clean, bro. Like, for real though. Like, it fuck with me or whatever when that shit ain't right. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go back and do revisions and shit. You know what I'm saying? But I always gonna get the shit right. You feel me? So your interface, you know what I'm saying? That's your interface. You got your software. So pretty much like, under $600, man, you know what I'm saying? You can start your whole studio. You got the whole technology in your hand, which is a cell phone. If you can goddamn Google, you can Google. That's why I'm cracking my shit now, cause I keep fucking slamming my phone into the mic. But you can Google, you can eBay, you can Amazon studio equipment, and you can spend less than $600. If you ain't got motherfucking $600, something wrong, bro. Niggas shouldn't be out. Niggas shouldn't be that damn broke. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't do music if you damn broke. You should just be running by getting a job and saving your money. You know what I'm saying? Saving some money. But yeah, like I tell artists, what up, man? Shit, make sure you just invest. It take money to make money. So you know what I'm saying? Like I say, only way you gonna come up if you invest into yourself, cause ain't nobody gonna give you shit. And we was taught this from kids when we went to the arcade, skating ring when we were little. You ain't got no money, you can't play no game, you can't skate, you can't do shit. You got some money, you can ball the fuck out, do whatever you want to do as a kid. You can run around the movies and shit, you know what I'm saying? Go to the mall with your friend. But we was taught this as kids, bro, at the age of fucking 5 to 10 years old. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have money in life. So motherfucker be out here, man, I ain't got no money. But hey, man, ain't nobody feeling sorry for you. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody feeling sorry for a nigga that ain't trying, cause you ain't trying. You feel me? Even though I know times hard, you know what I'm saying? I know times hard, you know what I'm saying? But hey, as a man, times were harder back then. It's like we gotta go harder. You know what I'm saying? If it's times hard, we gotta go harder. It's time easy, we still gotta go harder, regardless. Shout out to Red Bull too. It should give me energy and wings. But yo, I ain't gonna make this video long. This video pretty much, you know what I'm saying, like how to get you a studio, you know what I'm saying, in your budget, how to get your own studio, you know what I'm saying, under $600, you know what I'm saying. I just showed y'all the interfaces, you know what I'm saying, here the software. Like I said, you can get FL Studio, cause you go Pro Tools, you gotta at least spend $300 on up. So we're gonna just stay in y'all budget. You can get FL Studio from Sweetwater, $100, you know what I'm saying. So yo, about $700, but I just say $600, like to get your studio started. You know what I'm saying? And yo, that's pretty much it, man. I rock with y'all. And yo, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. And make sure y'all please leave a comment. I respond to them comments. I'm starting to respond to them comments faster than I respond to my DMs, because my DMs get crazy. But if y'all want me to make a video about anything or whatever, this and that, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? I go through my comments every day, maybe every other hour. I look at my comments and whatever, I respond back. You know what I'm saying? Do not direct message me, asking me this and that, because I'm not going to even got to respond to that type of shit, because I be so busy, I ain't got time for it. I rather just put in the comment for everybody to see it, because a lot of y'all pretty much ask like the same questions or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But I already put on video so it can answer y'all questions, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we out. I'm out. I hope everybody have a blessed day. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and peace.